Hi there, this is my usual setup for cutting papers with vacuum cleaner at the back. So this will reduce the dust flying everywhere. So firstly is to mark the where you want to cut the papers, and then I'll clamp it down. And I'm using an angle grinder. So this is the it's not clamping it down. Here we go. Okay, it's firm now. Sorry, I was saying using angle grinder, and this angle grinder will cut the concrete and masonry type. Just testing it out now. Have a close-up look for dry and wet concrete and masonry cutting. Okay, here we go. Oops, wait a minute. I need to on the vacuum. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, you see now most of the dust are being stuck in by the vacuum. So it's minimal dust flying around. And of course you'll be wearing a mask and a goggle. It's just safety protections. So this block I've cut both the top and the bottom. The angle grinder is not big enough to cut it in one whole, one way. So what I do is normally after this I'll just knock it off. Yep. And then use the angle grinder to smoothen the rough edges. So all this curve here, all this side have been done with the have been cut with the angle grinder. And over here, and just remain a few pieces to go.